Vacuuming the room. Go. Hey you guys, so today I'm gonna be vacuuming, and so yeah, and to put drive, put this, but I'll show when I'm vacuuming at the room. I'm in the room. I've been traveling, lost love in my life, got that love I lost. I finished that fast. Alrighty then. Yo, 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 yo. Shit, that's scary. That girl's creepy. Not together, boyfriend. There. So, I hope you like this video. Leave a comment and subscribe for more. Oh. My brother here is cleaning the dishes. He's a really good cleaner of dishes.
I could clean your whole house.
For free.
No, for $30.
Duh.
I need to try to raise up money for my school future. My class future.
It's called the washing help. And it's only $30 plus tax.
I was gonna make it 29, but with taxes, it's 30. I'm just kidding. It's still 30 people.
Oh my god. So what you gotta say for those people?
Go.
Say your game?
No.
Damn, you go crazy as hell.
You go, man.
I'm not the one who washes dishes, but you do.
You too.
No, I don't even like washing dishes. Look, this is the thing that he only did.
I'm a bad organizer.
Have you did these?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I just put them up there.
Man, watch out for your head. So you want to say it?
What? Everybody like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and tell me to clean up your house. Know it and do it up.